Hello everyone and welcome to this week's SMB. I have a couple of pairs that needs a little bit more development, but there is one pair that I want to share with you. That's AUD CHF. And what can I see on the daily? If we look to the bigger picture, we had an impulse and we have a very big correction. And if we zoom in on the last few days and the last few weeks, we can see that the price is decelerating right here. Price pushed down and took these stop losses out, so these buyers. And now all these sellers on this side are all also stopped out right here. Also, what we can see is that we have a clear switch of momentum. So I can draw the fib from the new high to the previous low. And as we can see, the shoulder region is not completely in the fib levels, but I'm looking at this pair because there are a couple of interesting things, and this is a small minus against all the good things in the trade. So if we put a horizontal line right here, and then we go to the weekly. And what can I see on the weekly is that we are coming from this zone right here. And I am aware of the fact that we are bearish on this pair because the impulses are going to the downside. And we are making a correction in the impulse down. But I have a couple of interesting things that I saw on the weekly. And therefore I'm still interested in this setup. First thing that I could see is that we've pushed under this low right here, made a fake out and pushed up again. So that tells me that the bulls are present and that they are refusing to go lower with the price. Also, a very interesting thing and a lesson that we've learned from Armani in the last event is that we do have a wave right here, a correction right here, and here the downside momentum of the wave. So if we take the fib from here to here, and we round the number up, we have a fib completion, which means that the bears are going out of the market and the bulls are going in the market, which we can see with the clear last candle close that is very, very bullish. Also, if we draw the fib from here, so the new fib to here, the bears will probably, if they will kick in from here. So we do have some room to the upside. So that are all good things that I could see on the weekly. Also, a small thing that I could see a little extra is that this trend line is holding up the price. So if we summarize this in the criteria of the weekly, we do have a zone with us, a last candle close, but not the market structure, but we do have the fib completion of the wave. So my market psychology wise, I find this a very high probability setup, but also it aligns with a 3 out of 4 on the weekly from the plan perspective. So this is what makes this for me a prime setup at the moment. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.